Now I am.
Okay. So we're feeding Caden for the first time with rice cereal, and so far he seems more interested in things on the table. But I'm gonna start off just a little tiny bit on the spoon. See what you think.
I think.
Notice it's in the tub. Kind of preemptive cleaning strike there. Oh, nice, nice. What do you think, honey? You like rice cereal? Oh gosh. Isis is watching. Oh, nice, nice. You look lovely. Here, let's try a little more, shall we? Well, he's not turned off by it.
No, you're not upset. Oops. Doesn't really know what to think of it there.
Yeah, he's not really spitting it out, but not getting too much in down his mouth there. Here. There, let's sit you up a little bit. Just scrape it off your face. They don't even need to go in the bowl. Oh, goodness. Oops, I'm tipping the bowl. There. I'm getting it all over you. I'll learn, I swear.
Oh, gooey baby. So, do you think he swallowed any?
I think so. He's gonna. Oh, goodness. Is feeding your baby supposed to be funny? Yeah, you like that, huh? You like stuff dripping off your mouth? What do you think? What do you think? Here, here. Here.
I don't think you're getting it in his mouth, really.
I know, but I was like reading all these things that say, just put it to his lips and let him suck it off himself.
Oh. Yeah.
See, that seems a little better. Here, you got. Oh, you want to suck your thumb? Okay. Honey, it's okay. I'm going to try a little more.